Professor Debabrata Das joined International Institute of Information Technology, Bangalore as an assistant professor in the year 2002. He rose to be a professor of repute and was in the hem of academics and R&D as dean from 2014 to 2017. His work has been doing the talking for him. To his credit, he has 190 peer-reviewed papers in different journals and international conferences. He has received 7 Best Paper awards. He also has 5 patents and 10 more patents are presently under review. Professor Das is in the steering committee and technical committees of multiple departments of Government of India and Government of Karnataka. He has been holding the reins of IIITB as director since 4th July 2021. Some of his major accolades are Professor K. Srinivasan Memorial Award 2017 for excellent teaching, Professor S.V.C. Iyer Memorial Award 2022 for research guidance in the areas of telecommunication and electronics from IIT. IIIE Region 10 Outstanding Volunteer Award 2020. Outstanding Volunteer Award IIIE Bangalore Section 2008. Global IIIE MGA Achievement Award 2012. Today, as he completes 20 glorious years at IIITB, we wish him the very best in all his endeavors in the years to come.